My name is Eric Busher. I'm from Bath, Pennsylvania. What got me into overlanding is mutual friends through Instagram. Found a group of people who do it and ended up building a rig for it. My expectations going into this trip were to have fun with a lot of like-minded people and to see a part of the country that I haven't been to.
What do you got over here?
Oh, cold mac and cheese. My favorite part of the trip was today, doing all of our technical wheeling, hitting mud holes and everything, like rock obstacles and stuff like that is fun.
My name's Jeff White. I'm from Huntsville, Alabama. We actually spoke with Jason 2 years ago at the rooftop tent rally. We had talked to a bunch of people there who'd been on trips previously, and so it sounded like a great opportunity. The point of this trip was really to come up and get some driving with the camper, in an off-road overlanding type situations.
When you said you were from Alabama, I thought maybe you were influenced by Rich Ivy. And
Rich Ivy? No, don't know him.
Good. That's a good thing. Well, you're going to stretch your legs here on this next little track we got.
Good.
So it'll be kind of a nice transition from the last day gravel that you had. We'll probably put it in four-wheel drive load just to kind of control our idle through here.
This'll be interesting.
It will be. It will be.
Straighten out. There you go. A little bit more passenger. We're going to avoid that rock. Yep. Straight. Now we're going to straighten out.
My name's Rick Holker. I've always been a bit of a nomad. Like I've lived in 10 states in the last 12 years. Grew up in foster care, joined the military. I got into overlanding in February. Got my Audi cab shipped out to Commonwealth from OK four-wheel drive, and been building it out for the last 6 months or so. And I'm in love now, man.
My name is Mike Roberts. Looking forward to reconnecting with the vehicles. Eat some good food. We got some rainy weather that made the trails interesting, getting a little bit of everything.
This is the first time I've missed a trip because we had some things that we needed to deal with back at home. And it was really important that we address that. And I was able to hustle up here this morning. Now we're here and we're with our guests. We're on the side of the road here in Tucker County, West Virginia. I don't know, it's stopped raining for now. I don't want to jinx us. It looks like it's going to be pretty nasty tonight. So slapping her in four-wheel drive low range and getting off gravel for the rest of the day.
Found love.